money. I don't need a big fine car. I got everything that a man could want. I got more than I could ask for. Now I don't have to run around. I don't have to stay out all night. 'Cause I got a sweet, sweet loving woman, and she knows how to treat me right. Well, my baby, she's alright. My baby, clean out of sight. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful? Some kind of wonderful. Yes, she is.
Restart.
When I hold her in my arms, you know she sets my soul on fire. Ooh, when my baby kisses me, my heart becomes filled with desire. When she wraps her loving arms around me, it just about ties my mind. When my baby kisses me, ooh, chills up and down my spine. When my baby, she's alright. My baby, clean out of sight. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful? Alright, some kind of wonderful. Some kind of wonderful. Yes, she is. Now, if anybody out there's got a sweet little woman like mine,
I've got a sweet little woman out there.
could I get somebody with a sweet, sweet woman like mine?
That I have a sweet little woman right
Listen to
here.
me one time. Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Oh, I need a witness. No, can I get a witness? Oh, a witness. Can I get a witness? Place your guitar for me again one more time. Oh yeah. Oh wow, she's some kind of wonderful. Some kind of wonderful. Some kind of wonderful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This dance is Some Kind of Wonderful, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, Lindy to the right, Lindy to the left. Section 2, step right to side, point across, step left to side, touch, shake hips, right, left, as you pop the opposite knee. Hips right, left. Section 3, shuffle forward, right, rock forward, recover, shuffle back, left, rock back, recover. Last section, cross, point, jazz box, cross, quarter turn right, step back, side, cross. Weights on my left and facing 3 o'clock and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a restart on wall 4 after 8 counts. Wall 4 starts facing 9 o'clock, so let me show you 8 counts. Lindy to the right, Lindy to the left. That's the end of 8 counts, and you restart the dance facing 9 o'clock with the Lindies. 5 and 6, 7, 8. There's also an ending. The last wall is wall 12 and it starts facing 6 o'clock. You do 20 counts. Let me show you 20 counts of wall 12 starting facing 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. This is the end of 20 counts. And instead of shuffling straight back, shuffle a half, turn left, step right forward, and pose. And that's the whole dance.